Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Talk with Kiran. So today we will discuss one more important interview question. We can so the problem here it is find the even number and odd numbers count in a given integer array. So there are the two different ways. The first approach is the normal for loop. We can find out using the normal for loop, and the second approach is using the Java streams. Okay, so now let me go to the normal first for loop. Okay, let me go for okay int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length I plus plus. Okay, if arr of I mod of 2 equal to 0, so the number which is divisible by 2 is called even numbers. The number which is not divisible by 2 and gives the remainder as 1 is called odd numbers. So here this condition is for given the even numbers. Okay, even numbers condition, even numbers condition. Okay, else odd numbers condition, it will give the odd number count. So for what we need to do, let me take the two variables. One is int even count equal to 0, int odd count equal to 0. Okay, in this case let me print even count plus plus increment. So we will find out how many even numbers are there as part of the integer array and how many odd numbers are there as part of integer array. Odd count plus plus. Okay, now let me print this sysouts. Sysout even numbers count plus, let me print this even count. Similarly, let me copy this odd number count. Odd number count. Let me run the program. Save, run as Java application. Okay, let me save the application file. Yep. See, the even number count is 2 and odd number count is 3. So 2 and 4 are the even numbers, 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. The same way, the same here, if the number is 5, so we are repeating this 5 loops. So the order of n times. Complexity is order of n times is the time complexity. Okay, so if the size is increases, it will iterate all these times. So the same way we can approach, the second approach is we can use the Java streams. Okay, there is a beautiful concept which is provided on the Java streams API, which is introduced on the Java 1.8. So we have a separate tutorial as well for the playlist for Java 8, so you can go through that as well. Okay, so let me take, so list of integers. Okay, I'll take a separate thing, list of integers of numbers. Okay, the same way you can take this as, okay, let me take, okay, I cannot copy, I can take arrays dot as list. Now I'll remove these things. Okay, right, so I'll change the numbers as integer. Okay, now so by using the streams, so what we'll do, we can go to the count. Okay, so let me go numbers dot stream So there is a concept called stream dot. So we need to filter out which is odd and which is even. So for that, filter. So the filter will takes a predicate as the parameter. Now what I'll do, n using the lambda expressions, n modulo q equal to 0. Then what we need to do, let me give the count. Okay, this will give, let me assign this to the variable long even count. Okay, similarly we can do with the long counter. See, this is n divided by 2, so this the negative scenario is not equal to 0. Let me copy this. Odd count not equal to 0. That's it. Let me print this. Duplicate variable. Where is the duplicate variable? Wait, let me remove this. That's it. Okay, odd count. Okay, I think the variable is already there, huh? That is the reason it is coming as. Okay, so even count 1, odd count 1. Now the issue will be the result. Okay, okay, let me print this. Sys out even count. Let me copy this. Odd count. Okay, so let me add a one more sys out just for differentiation. Okay, let me run the application, Java application. See, even count is 2, odd count is 3, even count is 3, odd count. So if the array list, if the collection size is big, then the second approach is the best option. Okay, this is the brute force thing. It's a common normal group. This is the second approach. This is using the Java streams. Yeah, so we'll discuss more important questions in future. I'll upload all the interview questions. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.